All right, so now we're going to look at displaying some data here. So a teacher makes the following list of grades. She gave her 25 students on an essay, and so you got all those letter grades. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make frequency table. So first off, I want to do is I want to look at the outcomes. So I've got grade, got A, B, C, D, F. Okay, and I'm going to make tallies here first. And I will use that to get frequency. So like A, two C's. So I'm making a tally point for each frequency each time something happens. And then C, C, F, D, three C's, two B's, an A, B, a D, a B, two A's, a B, an F, a C, and a B. Okay, so let's go look at the frequency. So we're going to clean this up a little bit. So it looks like we had four A's, we had seven B's, we had nine C's, three D's, and two F's. So that's frequency. Frequency is how often an outcome happens. Now, relative frequency means relative to the rest of the group. So we have 25 grades. So here's how you do a relative frequency. Not too bad. So for a relative frequency, we're going to take the number in that outcome divided by the total number in the class. So 4 divided by 25. Now 4 divided by 25, it should be 0.16. You don't believe me? So 0.16 is your relative frequency. So you make it into a decimal, which would be 16%. Okay, so you can use it as a decimal or percent. The next one, 7 divided by 25. That'd be 0.28. Should be 28%. Whoops. Okay, and then the next one's 9 out of 25. So be 36%. 0.36. 36%. 3 divided by 25. 0.12. It's 12%. And then 2 divided by 25. Oops. That would be 8%. Okay, so there's your relative frequency. All right. Next, we're going to do what we call a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is not too bad. So a cumulative frequency accumulates the outcomes as you go. So cumulative frequency is the number of data values in that category and all preceding categories. So in that category and below. Let's see. Okay, so like for example, the first one's going to be 4. Now the next cumulative frequency will be what's at that point and below. So what's at this point, 7, plus what's below it, 4. So it'll be 11. The next one's going to be what's at that point plus what's below it. So 9 in this group plus the 11 before it, 20. So I'm kind of keeping a running total. Next one's 3 plus 3 in that category plus 20 or below it, so 23. The next one, we have 2 in there plus the 23 before it, and so that'd be 25. So that would be your last number the cumulative frequency should be the total number that you have for your sample.